Our production journey, which began in a small workshop in Adana in 1998, continues today in an 8,000 square meter closed area in Istanbul. With our state-of-the-art machinery and quality-focused approach, we manufacture bathroom, sink, and kitchen sink faucets, as well as shower systems. With over a quarter century of experience and high production capacity, we always prioritize innovation in our production. With our experienced engineers, R&D team, and over 200 professional colleagues, we are one of the leading companies in the sector in the production of bathroom and kitchen fixtures. Thanks to our creative design team and our quality-oriented approach, we deliver energy and water-efficient products that enhance living spaces in over 50 countries across 4 continents. Today, as Teska, we understand the value of every drop of water. That's why we produce products that touch our lives to build a better future. We continue to produce and to improve quality for a sustainable world. Teska. Embrace water. Leave a mark on life.